Good morning, everyone. Beautiful day, quiet, hear the birds chirping. But today we're going to Fort Steele. Cool little frontier town. Could be fun. For sure, we're just hanging out in the campsite for now. I packed up the rooftop tent so we can go and drinking my coffee. So, watching the kids run around this campsite, but it's still pretty awesome sight. I can't complain. So, alright, I'm just gonna hang out, get ready, and I will see you in the truck. Hey everyone, welcome back. We're off and running to Fort Steele. Got the tent all packed up. Gonna make a run and grab some food at a bakery, and I'll see you there. Hey everyone, we're here at Fort Steele. We're gonna have some fun. Try to film. If not, I'll do some B-roll, but we'll see. Alright everyone, that was awesome. Now we're gonna go into the main building and check out some of these buildings. Train ride. So yeah. We'll see when we get out of here. Alright, have a good one. Bye. Everyone, I'm back. This place is pretty cool. Definitely like a heritage park-esque place that was in Calgary from where I've lived. But this place is pretty cool. I'm gonna stay here for a little while longer. So it's starting to get warm. Maybe some thunder showers later on tonight. We'll see. But yeah, this place is cool. So, alright, we're gonna cruise around here some more, and then I'll see you back in the truck. Yeah. Hey everyone, we're back in the truck. That place was pretty cool. Yeah, it was pretty cool. It was a lot of fun, a lot of things to see. It got really hot, so we were like pretty much racing to get out of there. The last little bit, it was just baking us. Had an awesome cinnamon up on at this bakery at Fort Steele. People have to go there. It's so good, so good. So we're off to Cranbrook to get some groceries and stuff. I'm not going to bore you with it again. So I'll see you back at the campsite. Hey everyone, we made it back to the camp. Been hanging out here for a while. We had a little bit of a thunderstorm roll through, so we were kind of hunkered down underneath the awning. It's coming down pretty good. Just hanging out, enjoying each other's company. So yeah, don't have anything really planned for tonight. I think maybe, depending on how the weather is, maybe play a game of some sort at some point tonight. And have a beer 30. Ooh, have a good steak dinner tonight with potatoes and carrots. It's gonna be awesome. I'm excited. And I have a new beer again. Same company, different beer. Alright, so we're gonna hang out a bit. I'll see you probably for beer 30.
my hair and then start dinner.
This one you know. Situate the sleeping quarters. Happy beer 30. New beer from Dead Frog. I know. I always drink this beer, Jeff. Orange creamsicle. This one, I have high hopes. I hope I'm not disappointed. Oh, still not my favorite. It's good. It's good. It's still not my favorite.
The peach is still the best.
Peach creamsicle's definitely the best. All right. Just been hanging out. Not doing much of anything. It's been pretty loud here with all the kids, so I haven't really filmed a whole lot. So, hanging out. It was raining. We had a big thunderstorm coming through here, so it was pretty wet. And not too many opportunities to film because I didn't want to get my phone all wet and stuff. So, just hanging out. But I'm going to call her a night. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell if you want more videos like this. And if you like this video, the other ones will be right here. So I will see you on the next one. Have a good one.